My name is John. I'm the owner of Trifusion LLC here in Carson City. We do a plethora of things here. We do anything from CNC work to Cerakoting to powder coating to wide format printing, lasering, pretty much anything you can think of to customize. I would 100% recommend this machine to anybody. The reason is your guys' tech support is amazing. The product does everything you need by itself. Those are huge. So your tech support would make me buy your machine 50 times over. In fact, when this machine, I'm done with it, I will be buying another one from you guys. There's no other machine that I would go to. We started out with the Growth Series table, making a lot of kind of like artsy kind of stuff. And then we basically grew into doing full apartment signs, full business signs. And so we do things like for a lot of Carson City businesses, restaurants, Carson City Visitors Bureau, apartment complexes, cut all the pieces out and just basically put them together, weld them up with the Lincoln welder, and that's pretty much what we do. Anybody can come to me. I just cut recent parts for someone's, he has got one of those industrial lawnmowers. So it's take your pick. Like, we just constantly have this thing going. I started doing this not knowing how to do one single thing. I mean, I really didn't. I had basic welding skills. I didn't know anything about programming CNC. Nothing, not about making a file, not a thing. You guys gave me the ability to learn it, walk it through it. How I design something for this table to run is the exact same thing that I do on my laser that I do now. I never touched a laser before. Well, you guys taught me how to do this, so now I applied that to using a laser. Everything else that I do, design-wise, is from you guys. Nesting is huge. We nest it all in your guys' software. You guys have a great nesting system. So it'll basically take all my parts and put it in there and stack them in together so get a nice good cut and get everything in there instead of me having to figure out where to put everything. Metal costs, okay? That's money, okay? So if you just start randomly taking pieces and setting it here, 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 and here in your software, well, now you got a bunch of empty space in the middle, okay? So all that empty space, that's money. So the nesting saves you on that. It takes everything and basically the computer analyzes where to put it, where to turn it, and do all that stuff. In the very beginning, I tried to do that myself, and that was a nightmare. The speed is the most important for me. The nice thing about this is if I put a big 4x4 sheet on here, I get everything set up on the touchscreen. Touchscreen's awesome. Love that too. Didn't have that before. I pretty much can walk away and run my laser machine or run something else. While I'm walking away, this thing's making money for me. And that's what I love about this, is once the programming's done, the machine takes care of the rest. So I love the speed, I love the touch screen, and I love the fact that it's reliable. I can walk away, and come back, my parts are cut out, I pull them out, and I go through my process. Again, with this table, it's gonna cut right to begin with. So now what you gotta do is just design, that's it. So the learning curve for nowadays, super simple. Just be patient, pick one project, start with it, and go. I would 100% recommend this machine to anybody. This thing cuts so good that I got a lot of customers, a lot of repeat customers, because you guys, your table is just flawless. It just cuts nice and straight and gives me a good cut. I give that to the customer.